Hello everyone, I'm at this beautiful forest. There are trees, flowers, and especially berries. I talked about these and I love these berries because they are yummy and they're blackberries. So I love them. They taste really good. You could come here to this place in Azerbaijan, and this place is so beautiful. The trees line up there and the greenery right there. So beautiful place. You could see the roads and this beautiful place. You could rest under a tree. So beautiful, and I get 2 picnics. Bye. See you next time.